The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Do you get it now? Pray. Go back to God. The true and living Almighty God. Do you see it now? Can you feel it now? Wake up. Let's take back our power as the people.
Viewers and subscribers, you see me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm not the kind of person who assume or try to fabricate something that someone said or about something that someone said. No, I'm not that kind of person. You see me? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows Buju Banton, and Buju Banton said some things, and I'm wondering why he said the things that he said. You see me? You, my viewers and subscribers, can actually tell me what you think. You see me? Is it? Now, ever since the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, announced some new curfew hours that's going to take effect within the country of Jamaica from March to April in the year 2021, I saw different videos on social media posted from entertainers from within the country of Jamaica. So may I say? And it's like they're expressing how they feel about certain things when it comes down to politicians and Jamaican government and so forth. Anyways, I'm going to present to you a video from Foota Hype and a video from Tanya Stephens. You see me? Yeah, and please bear in mind that these are just pieces of the entire videos. You see what I'm saying to you? And I want you to listen to some of the things that they said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that they said. You see what I'm saying to you? I want to make it be very clear that the things said in these videos that I'm presenting to you in this video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. You see me? I don't want anyone to say, oh, Dancehall Skilla, your JLP or your PMP. No, me have nothing to do with politics, none at all. You see me? I said to you. And the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show Foota Hype, and some of the things said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
People, remember when I want to I say, the worst decision I make to make Andrew Holness win back the election, you remember? Wanna remember? Now, the problem with the people, because I never talk to you, you know, because I am from the people, for the people. See? Problem with you know, when the eye open, but you know, blind. See? Now, big up Andrew Holness as a person. See? Want big up Andrew Holness as a person. When me address him as the Prime Minister, I say the Right Honorable Andrew Holness. But when me talk about the person, separate and apart from politics, me I say Andrew Holness. Big up Andrew Holness as a person. But as a leader, as a Prime Minister, you are the worst. No disrespect, no point intended. I'm not trying to disrespect you. But I am telling you the honest truth. You are the worst Prime Minister Jamaica's ever seen. See? And the people allow you to manipulate them with antics and dramatics. You have learned the art of charisma, and you're charismatic with what you do. And you have some people, some young people who work with you, where tell you what the street like and them thing there. So you come out with a charade and you perform well as an actor. See? But me did see through that. That's why I could have tell the people them from early, say, are the biggest mistake them I got ever make to make you be back the Prime Minister. And the people of Jamaica gave you a landslide victory because of dramatics. Little bit of money and whole heap of acting. Clarkson, slang, bro, God, and all of this. But I always ask the people them to tell me one thing economically what Andrew Holness has done that he brought forward, where fit him idea, fit him everything, will benefit every single Jamaican. There's not even one thing. Not even one thing. Me can't see not even one thing significant where Andrew Holness do a change the entire country for better. Where everybody, whether you're Labour Right or PNP, can benefit from what you did. Because if them got to talk about the road and them on a year project, them there before you, the bus park, all of them things, they there before you, the highway, everything. Brother, you're the worst prime minister. I honestly think you have to just walk left the leadership position. Still, you can still be an MP and everything, but give the leadership to somebody else. Somebody said JLP and PNP are the same. The only thing I can say JLP and PNP are the same with, yes, the two of them are thief and the two of them are wicked. But you have two thieves. You have one with thief and left something for somebody else. And you have one with thief everything. You understand? Jamaica Labour Party over the years have proven to me, when I talk about what my parents believe, when I talk about what my grandparents believe. Me, in my eyes, the Jamaica Labour Party does not make decisions that benefit everybody, including the poor. The Jamaica Labour Party continuously, even before Andrew Holness, he was just the worst, they have continuously made decisions that benefit the upper class and the richer set of people, and from I know myself till now. You understand? Now, look, let's look at what's happening now. Andrew makes some ridiculous decisions where if him did have a heart for the poor man, him would make them decisions, yeah? Him would have find other solution. You can't make them wild, outrageous decision, yeah, and not think about the survival of the regular man. As a leader, you have to think in your brain how the common man where work $4,000 a week or $3,000 a week I go survive under these decisions that you are making. What is wrong with you, brother? You can't think, say, alright, that man have $1 2 million in his account, so when me lock down the place for a month, him can survive. One to the man where have $0 in his account. And if him not go work for 1 week, him plunge in a depression. Oh, you not think about that, brother? One to the man when have a talent. The man when have a family we rich. The man when have a body for give him a helping. But him work $3,000 or $4,000 a week, and like it or not, that carry him through the whole of his life and take care and put him and do everything. Cause him not try buy a Gucci shoes, him not try buy a Louis Vuitton shoes, him not do that something, buy a regular no-name shoes, buy a regular no-name clothes, and him buy food and take care of himself and dip on piece of capture and live.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that shows foota hype. Talking about the Prime Minister of Jamaica and other things as well, isn't it? Now, I'm going to present you a video that's going to show Tanya Stephens. Right? And I want you to tell me if you agree or disagree with some of the things that Tanya Stephens said in this video as well. That's what I say. Alright? Some of the scenes in this video also might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
And as I work, I do not have to come up with a solution to be able to say this is a problem, or to be able to say this measure does not work. It doesn't work. And it doesn't appear to work from where I stand. I don't have to apply for permission to say that. And if you suggest that I do, what you're actually doing is saying I don't have full rights as a citizen. And why don't I? Why am I not allowed to say this no work? Why am I not allowed? Yeah, me tell you something more strange. When PJ Patterson was Prime Minister of this country and I was a public supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party, when I say public support, I don't mean on social media, I mean in my personal life. Like, go around with them on campaign and them sitting there, go up on stage, go sing for them and introduce people and them something they hear me on Labour Rights stage from me a little pick me. And when PJ Patterson was Prime Minister, I did a song called The Other Cheek. And I was talking directly to him. I didn't call his name because there's no point immortalizing him specifically when it can be applied to so many people who occupy that position. And I was talking to him. I made my position clear. And the response from the PNP was very different than the responses I'm seeing from the JLP now. In my entire life, I've only voted for the JLP. I've never voted for anybody else. There have been times when I didn't vote. But every time I voted, it was for the JLP. I brought lunch to workers. I've given whatever little cash I could give to campaigns. And I'm finding it incredibly distasteful. I don't want nothing from them. I've never asked for a contract. I've never asked. In fact, the only time I've ever asked a politician to do a favor was actually a PNP politician. I don't typically ask politicians favors because I think it clouds their ability to do their jobs. So I don't do that. I don't want favors from anybody. I don't want to be friends. I don't need to be friends. But you see, when I spoke about how the people on the ground felt about PJ Patterson's leadership, members of the PNP actually had a better response. And the followers of the PNP on the street said that too. Everybody who felt what I was singing about said, boy, I'm not lie, still know me a PNP, but that's true. Now what I'm finding happening with the JLP, I'm not going to lie to you now, the JLP nauseate the fuck out of me. Because I'm not open to criticism at all. It's a zero tolerance policy for criticism. Now remember, you know, them are not artists, you know, them are not celebrity, them are not actor, them are not, what do you think them are? Them are public servant. They serve the public. They are employed by the public to serve the public's interest. And when the public say, me not comfortable with this, there's not even an explanation. There's just fucking rudeness and arrogance and disgusting behavior. And the biggest feedback I get from supporters of the JLP is asking me this dumb ass, stupid as fuck question. Alright, since you have a problem with it, what is your solution? My solution is you for go suck yourself. If you think I need to do that job for be able to say that job is not being done well, go suck yourself. Now, you can clip this and cut this and put whoever name you want and tell like me say me tell them to go suck themselves, but if them feel the same way, them fi suck themselves too. You muzzle and then complain about freedom of speech being lost. But you think freedom of speech is something where you can just take it from one person and it did this so? You stop somebody from speaking, you have to stop freedom of speech from existing altogether. So do you really want to do that? Do you want to get to the point where only people who agree with you are allowed to speak? And who's the you? Because you know all have varying opinions on various things. So if you not allow speech on this, and him not allow speech on that, and she not allow speech on that, and them not, pretty soon nobody can speak. Right now, may I say, curfew don't work. And may I say them new measures they will put in place, even stupider than the last set of curfew them. Because if it ain't managed with the longer short hours, you think it will manage better now? Businesses have to go lock Saturday, because 10 to 12 is not enough business hours for sustain opening for the day. You know if you think, what the fuck is wrong with you now? Why don't you kill on the brain? And somebody come with that as it means a whole weekend lockdown. And because you have the privilege of food at your yard, you can't see how this is problematic for somebody who hustle Friday and Saturday alone for sustain them the whole week. Somebody who lives off the weekend. How them are going to sustain? You can't bother. You know, say I just care and not care about each other. Because if you don't care about each other, you know, enough is bright. If you think, you know, that actually think, you know, don't care, fuck you know.
So viewers and subscribers, based on some of the things that you heard in all the videos that I presented to you in this video, let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that these persons said. You see me? You see me? I say yeah. And let me know what you think Buju Banton was talking about. You understand? So here's where I'm going to leave it. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.